Wow, this pond looks really good. What the fuck? Jesus. Oh, sorry, I forgot to shoot an intro. Kind of just wanted to get right into this build at my boy Will's house, Robbins. And today we're gonna be building him a pond. We already started pre-digging it out. We got all the liner and everything like that to do it. Just went to Lowe's, and I'll just keep you guys updated on the progress we got. But look, we already got the shape kind of out. Boy Will is fucking excited, man. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the progress we got. Will's hard at work.
Oh, yeah.
But we had to move it over a little bit because there was a pipe there, and we got this little slub there. Owen Games, big YouTuber over here. And yeah, we're just digging this down a little bit. We hit like a yellow thing, which might be a gas line, so that's not great. But yeah, we're just gonna keep on digging, and we almost got the form and everything done. We're just gonna dig down a little bit more and hopefully not blow up from a line. But yeah, get to you guys when we got some more progress done. The underlayment on. Hopefully it fits. Obviously it's gonna be bigger than needed. Look at that, look at that. Fucking beautiful, honestly. Alright. Water's gonna be coming soon, boys. I'm just gonna throw the underlayment on after that. Hey, Will's hyped. Let's go. Alright, looks great. See you guys in a little bit. Hey, we got some progress done. We got the liner in. Will's just filling up another barrel of dirt right there. We just gotta fill this side in a little bit, as you can see, so the water doesn't come out. But yeah, line's going in. We're gonna take it out, put the underlayment in, and we're gonna start on the waterfall after that, and then rocking. So it's coming along, and yeah, sooner or later we're gonna have water flowing. Hey, people in game, let's go. All right, see you. Hey, what up, guys? I was like, it's been a lot since we left off, but we got the pool liner down now. We got all the sides secured, and now I'm in here right now. We put a little bit of water in so it can all sink down and all take form. And now I'm gonna rock the bottom of this all. I'm gonna rock it all. I'm just taking my time. This is the tedious part. You just gotta find what rocks fit, and it's just gonna take some time. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Sooner or later we're gonna get the waterfall going after we start rocking it all, and it's looking real good. We're gonna, before the end of the video, we're gonna measure how much gallons this is. We're all gonna take guesses and stuff, but I'm thinking it's gonna be like 130, but I don't know how much it is. We're gonna figure out soon. But yeah, once it's all rocked in, it's gonna look really good. Yeah. After this, I'll show you guys once it's all rocked in. Hey guys, looks a lot different, doesn't it? Right? We got it all rocked in. We put the pea gravel all in it. It's all done now. We're gonna start working on the waterfall. Start filling this up with water. Will is fucking pumped. He's hyped. Like, we just working all day. It's probably like 6 o'clock right now, and I've been working my goddamn ass off. And I was like, yep, haven't even ate yet, and ate a waffle today. And that's it. Straight night, man. Oh, here, look at it. Looks sick. The waterfall's gonna be coming next. We got what is his name? Donatello right there chilling with us, helping me out.
And the dab.
Yeah, he's in the dab. Alright, boys, we're gonna get started on this waterfall, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yo, update video. Literally just haven't picked up the camera yet. We just got some goldfish. This thing's ready to go. This pond is ready, filtered and everything, baby. Ready? I'm just showing you guys a little bit. I'll just show the video of you releasing them, Will. But I'm gonna give an in-depth video of the pond afterwards. Let me get real close, Will. Okay, let's get it. So they're named Jeffrey, Tommy, retard number 1, retard number 2, and then Timmy. That's their names. Man. Hey, look at that. They're fucking loving life, baby. Look, they're going to the deep end. Hey,
Let's go.
Hey.
Get some life in there.
Let's go. Will's gonna ruin this pond with the shiners. Let's go.
Something more badass. Let's go.
All right. Like before the end of the night, guys, I'm gonna show the finished product of this pond and the pump running. Pump's not running right now, but yeah, I'll get back to you guys once we're kind of wrapping up the end of the day. All right. Hey, we're still on this pond build, boys, but let me get a close up. I just yeah, day 2 just gifted Will a baby blue crawfish, and I think it's gonna add a good addition to the pond. Ready? Oh shit, keep on tripping on this fence. Ready, we're gonna put them in, yep. Shallow end, we're putting them in. Look at that. As you can probably usually just gonna disappear in seconds, but they're just gonna find a rock. Yep, he's already trying to find a rock and just go hide. Damn, looks good. Oh, air bubbles coming up. And I think the next rock, he's gone. Hey, called it, gone. All right, we're gonna throw some plants in that we just got in a minute. And I'm finished rocking it all up. You can see this corner is coming out really good. And yeah, it's gonna be done very soon. All right guys, finally finished day 2. It's 150 gallons. We just measured and everything like that. We put the plants in. We got, honestly don't know what type of plants these are. I know they're water plants. You can see we put 3 of them in there. Yeah, just take your time. I was like, we got mini lily pads right there. And as you guys can see, I did all the rock work. We rocked all of the sides and everything like that. That was a bitch, I can tell you for sure. It was a lot of work. That corner needs a little bit more rocks, but you guys don't need to worry about that. You can see the old ugly bricks that we used to have in there. We had my boy Strong Will smash the shit out of them and give them this natural look and break over the waterfall. You can see we got our boy here just chilling, but water flowing. It's a 190 gallon per hour pump. We'll order a bigger pump though. You can see it pulls up in this area. It's deeper in this area, pulls up and then goes over this rock. Once Will gets his bigger pump, it's gonna produce a lot more oxygen, but as you can see, oh, that's going fucking crazy. Put the blue crawfish in there, that was pretty cool. And like I said, this little area, we're just gonna rock it up and stuff like that, but this is pretty much gonna wrap up this pond build. Maybe we can do a future video of checking in on it, that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, 2 days worth of work, worked all day. Thanks to my boy Will, I was like, we got it done. I'm pretty happy with the product. He is too. And he claims we're gonna ruin this pond with shiners. I don't know, boys, we're just gonna have to see on the follow-up videos. But thank you guys for watching and see you next one. Peace.